Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Zaramawati. In this video, I will answer several questions. The first question is, what do you think when you meet new people? I create a good first impression and I focus on observing how they speak, how they treat the other and express themselves. First impressions are important, but I try not to jump to conclusion. Number 2, can you gauge someone's character when you see their physique? It can, but not necessarily true, because true character is more evident in everyday behavior. How someone treats others, how they speak, the decision they make, and their attitude when facing problem. Therefore, physical appearance only provides a first impression, not true reflection of their heart and character. Number 3, never judge a book by its cover. What do you think? I don't think we should be quick to judge people based on their appearance. A person's appearance doesn't always reflect their true personality, so abilities or life story. For example, someone who dresses simple might be very intelligent or kind. Number 4, we are what we wear. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. What we wear can show a bit about our personality, so our mood, so our culture, or even job. But it doesn't fully define who we are. Clothes are an expression, not the whole identity. Number 5, is good appearance showing good character? I think not always, because a person can look neat and stylish but still treat others badly. On the other hand, someone who doesn't care much about appearance might have a very kind and honest heart. So character is more important than appearance. Number 6, how does the person build their personality? By knowing yourself, so establishing principles and value, so after that controlling yourself, so continuing to learn and develop, so developing good habits and overcoming bad habits, so building self-confidence and commitment and discipline. So number 7 and the last, what character do you have? I have character. Sometimes I'm moody, so loyal, so after that sometimes I introvert, so wishy-washy, so diligent. Now I want to talk you about my childhood when I to Jakarta and to the zoo. When I was child, my father took me to the zoo. I was very happy. I saw many animals there, including there is monkey, so there is snakes, so there is elephants, so there is parrots. There I fed the monkey with bananas. The monkey looked very greedy eating the bananas. Then I also saw deer there. There were lots of deer and they were cute. So then my father and I went around the zoo and it was getting late in the afternoon. My father and I rushed to home. When I got home, I immediately told my mother everything. My mother seemed happy to listen to my story. Now I talk when I to Jakarta. It was first time for me to visit Jakarta. I was so impressed, and this was also the first time I got on a ship. When I was on the ship, I feel a little nauseous because the ship was rocked. But after arriving in Jakarta, I was very surprised because the view was very beautiful. And I arrived in Jakarta at night. There I saw many beautiful city lights. After that, my family and I spent the night at the hotel. The next day, we went around Monash, and we also took pictures together. Lots of people visited Monash. Then the time for the noon prayer arrived. My family and I rested at the Istiqlal Mosque. After that, we went around again to look for lunch. There were so many food. I was confused about choosing. Finally, my family and I chose to eat grilled chicken. After lunch, we went to walk to the Monash picture. As the appearance afternoon and we were got feel tired, we decided to return to the inn. During the trip, we listened to music and my father focused to drive. The trip felt so long because it was very congested, and soon afterward, we arrived at the inn. Then we cleaned our bodies, then we went to sleep at night.